vang in kalom me like a thing subscribe to share table you local man fan page on and laughing below react young
Indonesian actress Lia le athian ti hian Instagram story tur an lak lai hian he thilhlawm tak hi an la fu pala
karate ya Allah di marga satwa wow sumpah demi Allah itu ada pocong sumpah demi Allah sumpah di tadi di situ demi Allah
Lia soidan hian pokong ala fu ani pokong hi Indonesian ramhuai puan var veka thua mani a Lia te melan dan atang hi chuan atak nge yani mela ma se Lia hi komsum ni chu acting experience lo nei to ani a he video hi alem nge atak ni rin le comment na lama me lo shil vela tro Jamie hi preschool andin thar deuh chi a thokani a zan khat chu an school motion activated CCTV in he thilmak tak hi alafu ni in asaya cycle hi naupang in frame na room a awm ani a chem lir turin thli engma a awm lo ani amak na ti zol tu ber chu cycle ke thum nei tluhar tak tur ni si a tlulai tak hi ani he video post tu hi San Francisco Kuleisa security guard ni in an Kuleisa hian nula pakhata in tiluma chu nu thla chu a hrang ani zan khat chu a duty lain thawm a hria a camera la chuakin he thil hi ala fu ta ni security guard hian thlahrang ala fu tak tak nge avai hian a lem vek le enge ngei dan son hian a inchunga a thawm a hra thina a tir chuan thli mai mai emmo atia ma se tuna chuan eng thil nge ti a chiang to bik lawani
we're in my closet and I'm going to do the experiment of trying to get this on tape. My attic, it's right there. It always makes noise. It rattles all the time at night. I'm not sure if it's the suction of the wind in the attic or whatever it is, but I'm going to try to get this on film when I'm sleeping. So it is around 1 o'clock in the morning, so
hai thil thlen hnu hi chuan sawn hian perekin a kilh bet mak ani.